Welcome to Future Drive, where we explore the latest and most exciting developments in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Fiat Pulse Abarth, a compact SUV that brings the legendary Abarth performance to a new segment. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle a game-changer. The 2026 Pulse Abarth marks a significant milestone for Fiat, as it's the brand's first-ever compact SUV to bear the Abarth badge. Developed and produced in Latin America, this model is tailored to meet the demands of the region while delivering the exhilarating performance Abarth is known for. Under the hood, the Pulse Abarth is powered by the T271.3-liter turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 175 horsepower and 270 Nm of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this setup propels the SUV from 0 to 100 km/h in just 8 seconds, with a top speed of 210 km/h. The performance enhancements don't stop at the engine. The Pulse Abarth features sport-tuned suspension, recalibrated steering, and upgraded brakes to ensure a dynamic and responsive driving experience. The vehicle also offers 3 driving modes: Normal, Sport, and the exclusive Poison mode, which sharpens throttle response and enhances handling for a more engaging drive. Aesthetically, the Pulse Abarth showcases a bold design that reflects its performance capabilities. The exterior is adorned with red accents, a signature of the Abarth brand, and features unique elements such as 17-inch alloy wheels and a distinctive front grille. Inside, the cabin boasts a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless connectivity, ensuring both functionality and style. Safety and technology are paramount in the Pulse Abarth. The SUV comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, features like wireless smartphone charging, keyless entry, and a digital air conditioning system enhance convenience and comfort for both driver and passengers. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Pulse Abarth is competitively positioned within the compact SUV segment. In Argentina, the vehicle is priced at approximately $29,770,000 Rs, inclusive of taxes and fees. To sum up, the 2026 Fiat Pulse Abarth is a compelling entry into the compact SUV market, offering a blend of performance, style, and technology that is sure to appeal to driving enthusiasts. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring winding roads, the Pulse Abarth promises an exhilarating experience behind the wheel. Thank you for tuning into Future Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in automotive innovation. Until next time, drive into the future with us.